Students, today we will start our class with the same chapter, that is chapter 2, more about myself. So we have already started and two classes we have done also. So today our third class. So today we will discuss about some common hobbies. So what are the common hobbies? We have discussed earlier also some hobbies such as gardening, painting, then drawing, many other things are there. So sometimes you also do in your free time. So singing also, these are called hobbies. So what are the common hobbies most of the people have? Today we will discuss. So most of the time we have seen that some people are painting. So it is their hobby. So painting is a hobby. What are the other hobbies? Here we can see in your book it is given painting. So painting is a hobby. Paper cutting, paper crafting. So paper crafting is also a hobby. Then next, writing, stamp collection, here writing means poem writing or anything, whatever you like. Sometimes you like to write a story, you like to write your name, your father's name, your school's name. So these are the writings only. So these writings also is a hobby, and many people whose handwriting is not so much good, they can change their handwriting also and their handwriting will become very good. Some people becomes a writer, a poet. Then stamp collection. So some people have their hobbies to collect stamp. Wherever they find the stamp, they collect it and in a book or in a copy they paste it. Different types of stamp they collect and they paste it. So it is their hobby. Next comes listening to music. So I think all of you have this hobby because most of the people like to listen to music. I also like. I think you also like. So it is a common hobby, listening music. Sometimes we are very tired. What we do? We listen to music. Then we relax ourselves. Then next, playing games on computer. So nowadays computer is available in every home. So what do you do? After going home, you want to play some games on computer. So it is also a common hobby. Next, cycling. So it is the most interesting thing. Means most of the children like to cycling. Next, swimming. So it is also very common. Gymnastics also very common. Bird watching. So most of the time you see that if some birds are sitting or they are flying, you like to see what they are doing, how they are flying. So it is also a hobby. Gardening. Suppose you have a small garden at home. What do? You plant a small plant or sometimes you clean it, you seed there. So it is also a hobby, gardening. And photography. So nowadays mobile is very common. So in your home also 2-3 mobiles are there, mothers, fathers, then uncles also. So what do? You take the mobile and you take the photo of your father, mother, or sometimes yourself also. So these are the common hobbies. So here we find that these are the common hobbies of the people. Now students, one task I am giving you. In your notebook, write your own hobbies. What are the hobbies you have? Suppose you have the hobby of listening to music. You would write down on your copy. Other hobbies if you have, that one also you write. So how many hobbies you have? Just you write in your copy. Okay? Student, do you know I have a hobby of singing, but whether I sing to earn money, that means if I sing and if you hear the song, will you give me the money for that? No. And I also don't need, because for money I am not singing. It is my hobby. But we see that in TV, some people are singing and others are paying money for that singing. So sometimes this singing also becomes a career. Career means what? By doing the work, we earn money and we can run our family. Suppose I need something to purchase, where from I will get the money? So if I sing, people will give me the money and I can fulfill my needs also. Understood? Here you see, this is a bakery and she is Mrs. Sharma. So what you can see here, bakery, and she is standing here. So she has a hobby of baking cakes and biscuits. That means she likes to make cakes and biscuits. And after some days she thought that if I keep in a bakery, people will purchase. That means they will buy and I can earn money also. So it becomes her career. It is called career. That means she is earning money. Here you can see this is a photo studio and this is Mr. Mohan and his hobby is to click the pictures. Suppose you have also this habit, clicking pictures. So it becomes his hobby and after that he owns a photo studio. That means if he clicks some people, they will give money to that person. That means Mohan. So it becomes his career. That means photography, by doing photography, he can earn money also. Here you can see toy shop. That means some toys are there. And this is Mrs. Singh. Her hobby is to craft toys. That means cutting and making toys. That means cutting some cotton, sometimes papers. So these are the things. With that she can make toys and after that she opens a shop and she is earning. By selling she is earning money also. So these are the hobbies and more examples are there. So by that, by doing their hobby, it becomes a career for them. Understood?